What if you could build a digital teammate that handles tedious work so your team can focus on what they do best? This guide is all about designing smart, automated AI workflows that make that a reality, freeing up your team for more important work. Think about your team's day. How much of it is spent on repetitive tasks like answering the same support questions over and over? This is a huge drag on productivity, but it's exactly where AI can make the biggest impact. So, what exactly is AI workflow design? It's not just basic automation that follows a rigid script. We're talking about building systems that can understand context, handle gray areas, and adapt to new information, acting less like a robot and more like a smart digital teammate. Building a powerful AI workflow doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, every effective system, regardless of the tool you use, is built on three fundamental pillars. Getting these right is the key to creating a system that truly works with you. First, you need data sources. This is the knowledge the AI learns from, like your wikis and past tickets. Second is the logic engine, the brains of the operation that makes decisions. And finally, you need actions and integrations, so the AI can actually get work done in your other apps. One way to build this is the DIY approach, patching together tools like Zapier and OpenAI. While it offers flexibility, it's often a fragile and technical setup that can break easily. Plus, the costs can be unpredictable since you're paying for every single action. The alternative is a specialized platform. Instead of building from scratch, you use an all in one tool designed for a specific job, like customer support. This approach is much faster to set up, far more reliable, and comes with clear, predictable pricing. Let's put them side by side. The DIY route takes weeks and requires constant maintenance, while a specialized platform gets you running in minutes with almost no upkeep. The biggest difference? Safety. DIY has no testing environment, while platforms let you simulate performance before going live. But designing the workflow is just the beginning. To truly succeed, you need to know how to measure performance, and more importantly, how to avoid the common pitfalls that can derail your entire project before it even gets off the ground. Here's the most important rule: start small, always keep a human in the loop, and test everything before you launch. Trying to automate everything at once is a recipe for disaster and can lead to a terrible customer experience. This can't be stressed enough. Unleashing an untested AI on your customers is a huge gamble. If it starts giving wrong or unhelpful answers, you risk damaging your brand's reputation in a matter of hours. It's a risk that's just not worth taking. This is why built-in safety features are critical. Modern platforms include a simulation mode, which lets you see exactly how the AI would have handled past support tickets. This way, you can fine-tune its performance before it ever interacts with a single live customer. And let's come back to cost. With DIY tools, you're juggling multiple bills that add up quickly and unpredictably. Specialized platforms offer simple, straightforward pricing based on usage, so you can budget effectively without any surprise fees. So, are you ready to stop patching things together and start designing an AI workflow that actually works? You can get started today with a free trial and see how a specialized platform can transform your team's productivity.